So we're at the bottom of the walkway up to the glacier here. And as you can see, it's quite a little complex. There's probably one cruise ship in, and there's probably 20 buses here. These are called troll cars, which can take you part way up, and unfortunately we didn't get them. This is some serious rushing water here walking up to the waterfall. On our way up to the glacier here, there's an immense amount of water coming down. Another nice view as it works its way down here. It is coming down and we are getting wet. Man, is it coming down here. Might be able to see the mist blowing across. Shot from up high here. And here's the glacier. A couple mountain goats here. This is about as close as we're going to get to this Briksdal Glacier, which is absolutely huge, the largest in Europe. Obviously goes way off where you can't see it. More rushing water here, coming down from the glacier. If you look right there, you can see the water coming out from under the bottom. This is a very long walk, and if you scan down, there's the buildings where I got to get to yet. Made it back to civilization here. Quite a hike.